crackhead taking a bath, taking a shower. Hell no, bro. Anyway, Harry Styles, I think that's his name. I don't even care. A little R&R LED style does his body good. Sound weird, man. That nigga need to work out. See, hell no. Even in the swim trunks, H as H looks fly. That sounds weird. Fly is writing all over him. Man, I hope ain't no dude writing this shit. The former One Direction singers couldn't look more relaxed Friday while enjoying a shower right next to a beach in Tuesday town or Port. Y'all know what that is. PE. You know, Porto Ercole. Porto Ercole. I don't know. The name BTW means Port Hercules. Okay. Um, appreciated for Harold H physical. I mean physique. Or I don't know, man. I don't even care, bro. It say he was flumming his heavy link. Huh? I don't know I said that wrong. Bob too. He got about 60 tattoos, which he had to cover for his first starting role in the film. Don't worry, darling. Don't worry, darling. That movie sound like it about to suck, bro. He said he definitely earned some R&R after wrapping his movie My Policeman in Venice early this week. The Amazon projects had him filming all over England, including in London, where he donned an old school London police uniform. Sound kind of weird me reading this shit. He's the leading in the film that is adoption or etiquette. I don't know. 2012 nominal Benef Benefin Roberts, whoever the fuck that is. H plays a police named Tom who is involved in a love triangle between school teacher and Marion, played by the Crown star Eminem, whatever her name is, and a music, his name, and a music, it was a Croatian, I don't know, Patrick, played by English actor David Dawson. It said the novel set in 1950 when, what was it, Homebiz was rampant. What? Hold on, bro. Fuck all this shit, bro. Fucking weird ass movies. Hold on, man. I'm posting this video too. Now, what's the word I was looking for? It's H-O-B. Tell I need to go back to school because every time I see someone say H-O-M, first thing that popped in my head is homosexual. But let's see. Mm, home phone. Oh, BRC. Oh, it's a Spanish word. Homophobic. How the fuck did I know it, bro? Homophobic was ramp forcing time to marry uh, Mario, who then secretly shared him with Patrick and then eventually fall apart. No release date yet. So for now, enjoy Harry's body work at rest. Oh wow, man. Wow, bro. Wow.